This is the Schrade SCHOTF 8BS Viper out the front assisted opening knife, one of 4 models in the SCHOTF 8 series. With a 3.35-inch black-coated spear point fang of high-quality AUS-8 stainless steel, this Viper leaps from cover in the blink of an eye. Slide the safety to expose the red dot, letting you know that the blade is ready for immediate deployment. Nudge the finger actuator, and the assisted opening mechanism takes over. An aggressive tip provides powerful penetration, backed up by twin top and bottom side fine edges that give way to dual serrations for cutting through resistant material with bidirectional power. Known for its corrosion-resistant strength, the AUS-8 high-carbon steel knows how to hold an edge and lends itself to easy field sharpening. Push the blade release forward to release the locking mechanism, and use your thumb to retract the blade back into the black aluminum handle, well ridged for a good grip. Be sure to slide the safety forward until the red indicator disappears to secure the blade. The tough, weather-resistant aluminum handle now serves as a glass-breaking tool, thanks to its hardened tip. A steel clip gives you a choice of carry options, clip to either pocket or gear. A covert black knife with the speed of a Viper, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHOTF 8BS Viper out the front assisted opening knife.
The CRKT FLASHLITEs are compact illumination tools designed by personal defense expert James Williams. The powerful, efficient LED focus beam is appropriate gear for self-defense, everyday carry, and the outdoors. The tactical applications model is mission-ready. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum and coated with a hard black anodized finish, these tough lights are built to last. The body and tail cap have knurling for a positive grip and easy disassembly for cleaning or changing batteries. A clip is also included for quick access. Each light has 2 modes that are accessed using a click of the bezel. The Tactical Applications light uses 2 CR123 lithium batteries and is rated at 320 lumens on high, 75 on medium, and 10 on low. The Personal Defense light uses 1 AA battery and is rated at 50 lumens on high, 10 on medium, and 3 on low. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The James Williams Tactical Application and Personal Defense flashlights are robust illumination tools that are capable of handling a variety of environments.
Fixed blade knife. Designed with self-defense and preparedness in mind, the SCH-111 is an excellent addition to any everyday carry kit. Weighing in at just over 2 ounces, the SCH-111 is built full Tang tough and forged from a solid slab of 9 CR18 Movi high-carbon stainless steel. The SCH-111 features a 3-inch Karambit-style fine-edged blade that is razor-sharp right out of the box. The SCH-111's talon-like design allows it to slice effortlessly through even the heaviest clothing or other man-made materials, such as rope or webbing. The skeleton handle makes for an easy-to-conceal, ultra-thin profile. If desired, the handle of the SCH-111 can be wrapped with the included length of paracord for increased grip. The finger hole locks the fingers into a comfortable position safely behind the cutting edge of the blade, allowing the SCH-111 to become a natural extension of your hand. This gives a tactical advantage by making it incredibly difficult for the knife to be knocked from the user's hand. The SCH-111 arrives ready for action in its very own thermoplastic belt neck sheath. Carry the SCH-111 either discreetly underneath a shirt, in a pocket, or attached to the shoulder straps of your favorite backpack for fast and reliable deployment. A seriously sharp sidekick, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-111 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife.
The M16 10KZ designed by Kit Carson features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. The 3-inch dual hollow grind blade has a Tanto tip that is excellent for penetration. Glass-filled nylon handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment and also acts as a blade guard. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M16Z EDC series have set the industry standard for quality and value in everyday carry folding knives.
The new TOPGUN Big Pilot is the TOPGUN version of the legendary IWC Big Pilot. The Big Pilot TOPGUN comes in a 46mm case made from zirconium oxide ceramic with a black matte finish. The case is combined with titanium elements like the titanium crown and the titanium case back featuring the TOPGUN logo. Inside this movement runs the famous caliber 51 with a 7 days power reserve. The dial has been reworked according to the new dial design of the Big Pilot, featuring the 9 and allowing an overall more balanced layout with less red elements and a very clean black and white graphics. The watch comes together with a calf leather strap with embossing and a folding clasp in titanium.
The SOG FLINT packs enough survival and defensive components to get you through the night or away from danger. It's hard to find as many survival features in an item as one would in the FLINT. In a tool the size of a pencil there is a built-in fire starter, steel wall tinder compartment, carbide-tipped glass breaker, and safety whistle. Weighing in at less than an ounce and measuring 4.3 inches long, it's small enough to be carried on a lanyard, in a pocket, or in a pack. Wherever the destination is, it's always nice to have a backup plan.